Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the voice of the live speech on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have. It is literally going to work on every iPhone that you can get on the market. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down a little bit, tap on accessibility, swipe down again, tap on the live speech, and here you're going to get the voices. So I now do have the English voice, the Polish voice and the Spanish voice. But as you can see, we have those names of the voices. So you can click on the specific language, and here you can choose the voice that you would like to hear to the specific language. So let's say I want to have the Siri, and you can play the sample.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
And if you would like to choose the specific voice, so let's say maybe I want to, maybe Agnes.
Isn't it nice to have a computer that will talk to you?
Maybe not, because this is not really nice. Let's say I want to choose the Siri voice, but from the UK, so
Hi, I'm Siri.
maybe not.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Maybe this one. So once you decide, just click on the voice on the right side or in the middle. Just don't click,
Hi,
the sample.
I'm Siri.
Click on the specific voice, and once you have a tick next to the specific sound, it means that this one is just set to the live speech. In the other languages, it just works the same. Obviously, with the English one, you have the most voices available. Maybe let's choose for the Polish one. As you can see, we do have only 3 right here. We can play a sample.
Witaj, mam na imię Ewa, jestem głosem kobiecym dla języka polskiego.
Or maybe Zosia.
Witaj, mam na imię Zosia, jestem głosem kobiecym dla języka polskiego.
And if you want to choose, just type the click next to it, and you're going to get this voice on the live speech from this time. So once again, how to get to the settings. So open settings, swipe down, tap on accessibility, swipe down, tap on live speech, and go to the voices. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!